Hello, warm welcome to our YouTube channel. Today's topic of discussion, simplifications for bank clerk exams, IBPS and SBI. Before we start our discussion, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Time for Bank SSCCGLE and click on bell icon so that you get notification of all the videos that are uploaded on this channel. My dear students, please be ready with the pen and paper. Now first look at the directions given here. What should come in place of a question mark in the following questions? 756 divided by 189 into 304. 756 divided by 189 into 304. Now, if you observe this calculation carefully, 4 times of 18, that is 72. Here 180 into 4, 720. 4 times of 9, 36. 720 plus 36, 756 means exactly here it goes 4 times. Now observe 4 times of 300, that is 1200. 4 times of 4, 16. So what is the result? 1216. 1216. 1216, option 4 is the answer. The answer choice for this question is 4. Now look at the next example on your screen. 40% of 35% of 6 by 7 of question mark equal to 240. 40%, 40 by 100, which is equal to 2 by 5. 1 by 5 is 20%, 40% is 2 by 5. 35% means 7 by 20. 35% means 35% is equal to 35 by 100, that is 7 by 20, of 6 by 7 into question mark. Question mark means I am taking value as k, which is equal to 240. Now just to simplify, 7 and 7 gets cancelled. The product of 2 and 6. 2 into 6 is equal to 12. Here it goes exactly 20 times into 40. 5 times of 20, 100. 100 into 20, that is 2000. The value of k, that is 2000. Now the answer choice, option 3. Third choice is the answer for this question. Now look at the next example on your screen. 20% of 400 minus 10% of 250. 20% means percentage and 0 get cancelled. 20% means 20 by 100 into 400, 0 to 0, we can cancel. Now what left? 4 times of 20, that is 80. Now 10% of 250, just simplify, percentage and zeros get cancelled. Now the value, how much here? It is 25. 80 minus 25. 80 minus 25, the result is 55. Now the choice for this option 1. First choice is the answer for this question. Now next question on your screen. 10 square plus 20 square is equal to question mark square plus 15. Sorry, plus 16. 10 square, that is 100. 20 square, 400, which is equal to question mark square plus 16. 100 plus 400, 500. Plus 16 take other side becomes minus 16, which is equal to question mark square. Subtracting 16 from 500, the value is 484. 484 is equal to question mark square. Now the value of question mark. Now question mark is equal to square root of 484. Here the value 484, that is equal to 22 square. When the powers are same, Now we can equate the bases. Now the value of question mark. Question mark is equal to 22. Answer choice 2. Option 2 is the answer for this question. Now next example on your screen. 28% of 2125 divided by 400% of 1.25. 28% of 2125 divided by 40% of 1.25. Now for 400%, not 40%, it's a 400% of. 400% of 1.25. Now simplify this. Percentage we can cancel. Now remove the decimal and cancel the zeros. What next here? 4 in 28, it goes exactly 7 times. Dear students, 8 times of 125 is 1000. 8 times of 125. Here 2000 means how many times? 2 times of 8, that is 16. Plus 1 more, 125. 16 plus 1, 17. Now 125, it goes exactly how many times? 17 times into 125. Now just observe the multiple. Just observe the product of 7 and 17. 7 times of 17, that is 119. Now what is the right choice? Option 2. Second choice is the answer for this question. That is 119. Next question on your screen. 216 power 4 divided by 36 power 8 into 1296 power 11 equal to 6 power question mark. If you observe these values carefully, 216, that is a 6 cube, 36, 6 square, 1296, that is actually 36 square, which is equal to 6 power 4. Now by expressing all the values in terms of 6 powers of 6, 6 cube whole power 4 divided by 6 square whole power 8 into 6 power 4 whole power 11 is equal to 6 power question mark. When the bases are same, we can add and equate the powers. Just observe. 3 into 4, a power m whole power n is equal to a power mn. So 3 into 4, that is 12. 2 into 8, 16. Here a power m divided by a power n is equal to a power m minus n. So what is the result? Now 2 into 8, that is a 16 minus 16 here. We are taking the value from denominator to numerator. Plus, so 11 into 4, that is a 44, is equal to 6 power question mark. Here bases are same, just equate the powers. Now simplify this. 12 minus 16, that is minus 4. 44 minus 4, 40. So 6 power 40 is equal to 6 power question mark. Then what is the value of question mark? Bases are same. Now equate the powers. So what is the result? Question mark is equal to 40. Answer choice 2. Second choice is the answer for this question. 40 is the value of question mark. Now next example on your screen. 14560 divided by 28 divided by 13 is equal to question mark. 14560 divided by 28 divided by 13. My dear students, 13 into 11, that is 143. 13, 11 times 143. Left with 2. Now the value is 260. 260 means 2 times and 0. 13 here it goes how many times? 1120. What about this 28? 28 into 4, that is 112. 0 is common, so the value is 40. So what is the answer choice? 2. Second option is the answer for this question. Okay. Now moving to the next example. 991 into 1009. 991 and 1009, these numbers are close to 1000. The first number is 9 less than 1000. Second number is 9 more than 1000. If you observe this carefully, it is in the form of a minus b into a plus b. So a minus b into a plus b, that is a square minus b square. A minus b into a plus b. Now what is the formula? A square minus b square. So what is the value of a square? A square means 1000 whole square. 9 square, b square means 9 square. So how much is the value of 9 square? 9 square is equal to 81. Then what about this 1000 square? Now just observe how many zeros we get? 6 zeros. Now just subtract 81. So what is the result? Here the result is 9, 9, 9, 9, 1, 9. Subtracting 81, it will give the value of, what is the value? The value here it is 9,99,919. The answer choice option 3. Third choice is the answer for this question. Now look at the next example on your screen. 6566.87, 3467.99 minus 1023.88. By adding these two, add these two values and subtract from the 6566.87. As my dear student, just observe what is the sum of these two values. By adding these two, what we get? Last two positions. Just observe. It is 87. The next 91. Next 44. 4491.87. Now just to subtract this. Now what is the result? The result here, it is 75 and it 20. So 2075, the answer choice option 2. The answer choice is 2. Second option is the right answer. Now next example on your screen. 40% of 360 is equal to question mark percent of 300. 40% means percentage and 0 gets cancelled. 4 times of 36. 4 times of 36, that is 144. Equal to question mark percent of 300 means percentage and zeros get cancelled. Then what is the result? K into 3. Now solving this. How many times of 3 is equal to 144? Here it goes exactly 48 times. The value of the question mark is 48. Answer choice 2. 48 is the value. The answer choice 2. Now next example on your screen. Square root of 841 minus the square root of 676 is equal to question mark. 841 is a perfect square. What is the square root of 841? That is a 29. 29 square is equal to 841. Okay. Now 676. That is a 26 square. So 29 minus 26. 29 minus 26 is equal to square root of question mark. Now squaring on both sides. The value of the question mark is 9. Now what is the right choice? Yes, you are correct. Option 3. Option 3 is the answer for this question. Now next example on your screen. Cube root of 216 plus 1 by 5 divided by question mark is equal to under root 25 into 4. On the right hand side, 4 times of 25 means 100. Now square root of 100 means that is a 10. Cube root of 216. 216 is a perfect cube. That is a 6 cube. 6 cube is equal to 216. So here 6 plus, how much is the value of 1 by 5? That is a 6 by 5 divided by question mark. When you take this question mark is equal to 10. Now just observe this. By taking 6 other side, what is the result? 6 by 5 of question mark means into question mark I am taking here is equal to 10 minus 6, that is the 4. Now simplify. What is the cancellation? 2 times, 2 here, 3 times. So 2 into 5, 10. 3 by 10 is equal to question mark. How much is the value of question mark? It is a 0.3. 0.3 means answer choice 3. Third option is the right answer. Okay. Now moving to the next example. 8 into 18 into 7 divided by 6 minus 6 square equal to 68. 8 into 18 into 7 by 6 minus question mark square, take other side and bring this 68 left hand side. So minus 68 equal to question mark square. Solving this. 3 times of 6 is equal to 18. Now just observe. 7 into 8, 56. 56 into 3. 50 into 3 is equal to 150. 3 times of 6 is equal to 8. 150 plus 18, that is 168. 150 plus 18, that is 168. 168 minus 68 is equal to question mark square, the value of the question mark. Question mark square is equal to 100. Now what is the value of the question mark? Square root of 100. Now the value is 10. How much is the value of question mark? Question mark is equal to 10. The right choice, option 2. Second choice is the answer for this question. Now next question on your screen. 8 9 by 10 minus 9 3 by 5 is equal to question mark minus 4 3 by 5 plus 19 by 30. Take values on one side and the question mark other side and observe the logic of sum of the integers and sum of the proper fractions. The question mark is equal to, first of all, observe the sum of the integers. Integers means 8 minus 9 minus 4 will become plus 4. These are the integers. What about the proper fractions? Just observe the proper fractions here. 9 by 10 minus 3 by 5 plus 3 by 5. So minus 3 by 5 will become plus 3 by 5 minus 19 by 30. Solving this. 8 minus 9, that is minus 1. Minus 1 plus 4, that is 3. Now what is the second part? Minus 3 by 5, positive 3 by 5 gets cancelled. Now what is the next here? The sum of these numbers means here LCM. What is the LCM? 30 is the LCM. 3 times of 9, 27. 27 minus 19. 27 minus 19 means it is 8. Simplify 2 4 times, 2 here, 15 times. What is the result? 3 4 by 15. So 3 4 by 15, yes. What is the option here? Choice 2. Sum of the integers and sum of the proper fractions is the logic. Now look at the next example on your screen. 17 into 4 in plus question mark into 9 is equal to 37 into 5. The product of these two numbers, that is 68, 4 times of 17, plus question mark into 9 equal to 5 times of 37. 5 times of 30, 150. 5 times of 7, 35. 150 plus 35, 185. Yes. Now just observe. Now 68 subtract from 68. When you subtract from the 185. Now what is the result here? 68 subtract from 185. 7. So 15. 7. Now here 17. The result is 9 times of question mark is equal to how much here? 117. Now 9 it goes how many times? Here it goes exactly 13 times. What is the answer choice? Option 3. Third choice is the right answer. Okay. Yes, my dear students, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, Time for Bank Exams, to get more videos on examinations like Bank, SSCCGLE, Insurance, Railway and other examinations. Social media channel links are given in the description box. Telegram channel, YouTube channel, Instagram and Facebook. Okay. For classroom coaching, do contact your nearest time center. For online courses, you can enroll at t4e.info/bank SSC online. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.